everyone, this is Riley. Welcome back to the XSP Green Monster channel. Just want to do a quick little video on my girlfriend's car that I did a system install and kind of show it off and what I did. It's a pretty fun little build, so I'll get right into it. I'm sorry if there's any wind noise, I'm not sure if there will be, but I'll kind of show you what we have going on here. So first was this little thing, we put in some rigid pods. And then we put excess power battery up front, obviously, with some sky-high pink wire. No alternator upgrades yet, but soon to come, possibly. Sky-high inputs too. And we'll go around to the back. So this is her little setup that we did. We never actually painted the back side of the box, but it is a 4th order with a removable back. As you can see, this is the baffle, and it's a 2-to-1. And you can kind of see, I'll have to kind of go up front so you can see it, but inside here are 2 6.5-inch subwoofers, which she really likes. This isn't a super this isn't a competition sound system or anything, it's just so you can really hear the music and get a good amount of bump for what it's got. So if we go up here, so this is what we got. We've got a Rockford Fosgate Punch 1000 by 1D. Obviously all the sky-high wire coming back. There's where it goes through to the subwoofers. Really like these amps. These are one of my old amps from my systems. Works great for this application. I think the subwoofers are around 350 RMS each, so this amp works perfectly in conjunction with those. And we also did some McLaren 5.5s in all the doors. I think they're 5.5s or 5 1/4s. And all the doors have McLaren 5 1/4, so all the way around. We did a Pioneer I believe it's a DEH-X9600 BS. It's the old one from my car, which works phenomenally in this little dash kit. Which does, there it goes, now focused. There it is, 9600X. And we're gonna do a little demo here for anyone that hasn't met her. This is Emmy, my beautiful girlfriend. And she's gonna show us the system. I don't need to put on a seatbelt. I don't know why I'm doing that. But yeah, here we go. We got a little bit of sun, so this might be bad, and I'll try and show you guys as much as I can of the audio. Obviously, I can't play too much audio because otherwise it doesn't follow the rules of YouTube. So I'll probably put in like some 15-second clips of this. But yeah, Emmy can kind of tell you why she likes it.
I really like loud music.
Hey, why did you want a system in your car?
I really wanted to be able to kind of feel the music more rather than just kind of listening to it. Kind of wanted it to take over myself, I guess.
It's because she heard my system, and then I got her addicted to it.
Oh, that's the foundation.
So I mean, like I said, the system isn't crazy. It's more for sound quality. It isn't an SPL build. It's really an SQ build. But yeah, we'll play a little bit of it. So here we go.
These is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both. I got that smoke. Never gonna hear, gotta look me up and down. All on Instagram, cake by the pound. Circulate the image every time I come around.
And I will play one song. So there's a little bit of rattling in the back. I'm not sure if it'll pick it up, but that's just from, I believe, the rear glass on her hatch door.
It's probably the box.
Yeah, or there's some boxes and stuff back there, but it does sound very nice without anything back there having an issue. We can actually, I'll go back and we'll listen to the song a little bit, which is Partition with the subwoofers, and see how it sounds. And all of the speakers are off of head unit power still. There's no modification to the speaker power. So that's why they're not crazy loud, but they do sound really good. So like I said, we're just looking at two little 6.5s. So it puts out a really good amount for the speakers that are in it. And I'm just gonna play one more song here for you guys, kind of more of the typical SPL style song, so some DJ slow and throw, and then I'll end it there for you guys. Alright, so there's a short little video on this build I did for my girlfriend's car. She loves it. She loves that they're just little 6.5s. They don't take up a ton of room in the back. I had a lot of fun with this one. Just want to make a kind of quick video. I'll probably start a new playlist on just some of the builds that I've done. There's a couple others I can show you when I get home. Home is in Sun Valley, Idaho, home, not school. And there's Emmy. So all done for this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.